How to check if your phone supports 5G. Android Guide 2026. If you want to know whether your Android phone supports 5G, you can check it easily in your phone settings. Just follow the steps below. Method 1. Check in settings. Fastest way. Step 1. Go to your phone's settings app from the home screen or app list. Step 2. Go to connections. Scroll down and tap connections or network and internet, depending on your phone model. Step 3. Open mobile networks. Find and tap mobile networks. This is where your SIM and network options are stored. Step 4. Check network mode, tap network mode or preferred network type. Now look at the options carefully. If you see 5G or 5G, LTE keys 3G, 2G, auto connect, your phone supports 5G. If you only see LTE, 3G, 2G, your phone does not support 5G. If 5G is available but not selected, you can choose it manually if your carrier supports it. Method 2. Check SIM and device information. Step 1. Open settings again. Go back to the settings app. Step 2. Tap About Phone, scroll down and select About Phone to see your device details. Step 3. Open status information, find and tap status information or SIM status. Step 4. Check network type. Look at the network information shown on the screen. If you see 5G or NR, new radio, your phone supports 5G. If you only see LTE, then your phone does not support 5G. That's how you can quickly check if your Android phone supports 5G in 2026. It only takes a few minutes and no extra apps are needed. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more simple tech tips.